Chair is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the gentleman for yielding. I rise in opposition to the Republican budget because, simply put, their plan represents more of the same failed policies that caused our economic collapse. Their plan is designed to move us backwards. I support our budget because it'll move our country forward. Our plan is honest because it gives the American people a true picture of what we are facing. It is visionary because it invests in health care, energy, and education. And it's fair because it gives middle-class families real tax relief. It's fiscally responsible because it cuts the deficit in half by 2013. Our economic plan provides for the overhaul of our health care system because we can't afford half-hearted reform. Our plan invests in renewable energy to make us energy independent and creates green jobs to power America for the 21st century. Our plan invests in educating our citizens and building a 21st century workforce that can beat the global competition. Our plan will cut the deficit in half by 2013 and provides the largest tax cut for middle-class Americans in history. It's the economic plan to help families who have lost their jobs, who are worried about paying their bills, concerned about how they'll afford their children's education and pay for health insurance. Our economic plan will move our economy forward for the millions of working families who are struggling in this economy. I urge my colleagues to reject the Republican alternative and support our plan to invest in America's future. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I yield back.
Gentleman yields back his time. Gentleman from Ohio.
I thank the Madam Chair. And before yielding to